Okay, so we worked with a few pictures now with L and the two lights. So now we're going to work with just the one light. So I'll ask you to turn it off for me, Laura. Thank you. So we've only got the one light. You'll see there's more shade on this side of L, and this side's more brightly lit. So if I take some pictures now, you'll see the difference. And what's really interesting is the fact that with all the studios you go to and people talk about having 7 or 8 lights, you're actually going to take some really stunning pictures with just one simple light and a softbox. Okay. Okay, well, that's lovely. Good. Nice one. Bit of a smile, yes, lovely. I'm coming in for a head and shoulders shot. Smashing. Good, okay. Now, as you can see, it's quite easy to work with Elle because she's a professional model and she's modelled lots and she can hit all the poses. But if you're working with somebody who's not experienced, then you'll need to tell them what to do. So, just to give you an example, Elle knows what it's like to be new. So basically, you don't move between any pictures. This is what could happen to you. So, it's a pose. You see, you have to tell her to move because girls who've never done it before won't know. So, okay, put that arm onto your knee, that hand onto your knee, that's it, and then bring your shoulder back the other way. That's the one. Good. Now, just, yes, that's nice. Now, twist your top half the other way. That's it, yes. Now, lean in towards me a little bit. That's good. Okay. You see how that's working now? So I'm giving her instructions. But Elle, now, you just do what you do as a model. Okay? Yep, full length. Good. Just point this toe for me so they just, that's it, yeah, that's good. That's lovely. Just lift your knee a little bit. That's the one. And put both hands onto your knee. That's it. Just squeeze your boobies up a bit, make them, yeah, that's the one. Give yourself, yeah, lovely. Fantastic, Elle. Good.